SMM Store Discussion, Branch RP Pangasinan. Attendees po, Judean, Marie Chris, Christian Paul, Jelly. Day off po is si Romar. Sa warehouse po, store delivery schedule is every Wednesday. Warehouse request inventory. Premium cotton men's melon, size small, quantity 2. Premium cotton men's blue-gray, size extra small to double XL. Quantity small, dalawa lang po. Premium cotton men's light pink, size double XL, quantity 2. Premium men's red, size po medium to double XL. Quantity medium 10, large 12, XL 8, double XL 4. Sa OLM po, new approved marketing sa SP. Browse natin yung SMM slide dahil makikita natin doon yung new update ng bawat page nila. And then naka-specified na ito per category ng services na meron tayo. Sa AdSense promo, new updates po, streamer for Christmas, meron tayong tatlo for execute on October 1. Sa tricycle, meron po tayong 34 na active. Wala po tayong for installation. Sa streamer po is 7 na active, 0 installation. Sticker 15 active, 0 installation. Sa curtain po, meron po tayong 8 na active po, 0 installation din po. For treasury, yung cost of refund, complaint due is misunderstanding. Tapos po, on process yung pagpapak ni store dahil lilipat ng new store and hindi nila alam saang sako nalagay yung tapos na na-order ni customer. To avoid this, I learned that sagutin yung tawag and explain na lang ng maayos kay customer yung situation. Dahil lahat naman is nadadaan sa maayos na usapan. Sa website po, new pages is Polymer Collection in 2026 Planner. New update for Subli Central is Basketball Half Bleed. ROM Save Reply, Dry Fit Comparison, Transfer It versus Shared Planet. Changes po, makikita natin dito yung explanation ng 2 types of dry fit na meron tayo. Even the colors available and the prices. Also yung pagkakaiba ng white na dry fit sa Shared Planet. Audit result, rating po is passable. Meron po tayong isang active hotspot, yung Save Reply. Kami po ni Chris yung naka-hotspot doon. Sa MIS, BIF, third form po, unofficial code. Sa MIS po, topic, BIF, print form, unofficial code. Changes, pwede na natin i-print agad yung unofficial code na nandun sa detailed, na detailed yung price na na-discount ni customer. BIF, remove single item and photo sa table, only multiple items. Inalis na yung pang single item, doon na lahat sa multiple items. Ang kinaganda nito is minsan na yung pag-upload kapag maraming items si customer. So visual categorization naman po is key management, number 269. Execution is sa September 10, in charge is ako po, Judean. Sa HR po, launch September 5, 2025. Topic po is quiz sa jacket. Sa audit naman po, active hotspot is Save Reply. Days remaining is 2 na lang po. And assigned person kami po ni Chris. Garments and consumable posting. NA po. Thought of the day. Based sa napanood ko, wag natin lunurin si customer sa mga item na meron tayo. Instead, let's listen first before we offer something. Intindihin muna natin kung ano yung kailangan nila para may offer natin yung best item para sa need ni customer. Last time na rin yun, and syempre mas magkakaintindihan po kayo ng mabilis ni customer. Yun lang po, thank you.